Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are going to discuss another interview question over here. So we have to find the sales from this order table. Okay, so suppose we have a sales means all this order table, and we have to find the sales amount, total sales. Okay, so how we will do that? So suppose we have just copied this table from this, and what we have to do, we have pasted over here. Now we have to find the sales, right? Suppose we have a two quantity and price of each quantity is 50 rupees. So total sales, what will be the for this order ID, right? So suppose this order, particular order ID or this particular product, whatever this, we have a total sales, right? We have to find the total sales. So what we will do, we will multiply the price into the quantity. If suppose like you have purchased two notebooks and each notebook cost you 50 rupees, so how much total cost means you have given to the shopkeepers? So 100 rupees, right? So simply we will do that thing over here. We will multiply the quantity with the price. So what we will get, we will get the total sales. But what the trick over here is, we have the discount. Suppose take discount as a rupees in rupee. So now we have taken discount as in rupee. So what we will get, we will get the sales amount. Okay, total sales amount. So check this, we have 90 rupees, but what if we will tell this discount is in percentage, then what we will do? So what we have to do for the percentage, we have to find the we have to basically find the price discount, right? 50%, 50 rupees, 10%. So what we will do, we will multiply this price multiply by discount by 100, right? So we will get over here as a sales. Now if you look over here,